What's up, ladies? It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back today with another video. The company I will be working with is UNice Cap. Jumping right in, they sent me some HD 2 wig caps, of course, and I got some 3D mink lashes, which is also a UNice brand, and then of course your handy dandy UNice bands. Love the elastic bands, and they sent me this cute pink silk robe. This is the wig. This is their 24-inch body wave wear-and-go pre-cut 6x45 lace. It is HD, as you guys can see. It does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, ready to wear. So here I am just putting this on directly, slapping it on. I ain't got no ball cap on, no nothing, and it's already giving scalp. I love how they pre-plucked and pre-parted the hairline. Everything looks amazing. I literally didn't have to do anything but lightly bleach the knots. I'm going to go in with this Kiss foundation powder in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just going to pop that onto the lace just to make sure everything blends in with my skin tone. We don't need to be looking ashy or white or anything like that because this is HD lace, so you want to make sure you put some type of makeup on it to blend. And then this is what it's looking like. Like I said, this is going to be 100% glueless. We're not going to glue this down at all. Now I'm going to take my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, and I'm just going to press out the ends of my hair. Only the ends, because the style I will be doing is like a loose beach wave, loose wand curl, Jada Waiter beach wave style basically. And you know, the ends need to be straight for this. If you want to do like a regular wand curl, then don't curl your waves, then don't press out your straight ends. But now I'm going to take my Conair 1-inch wand curler, and I'm just going to wrap the hair around and leave about maybe an inch of hair left off at the bottom. Those that are going to be the straight ends. And I just leave that on there for about maybe 10 seconds, but I sped it up just for the sake of this video. But you guys are going to see the whole styling transformation. I'm going to show you guys from bottom to top how I style it from left to right each side, and then we're going to come back with the finished product. This style is super easy to do and so cute. I think this is like a go-to style for if you don't know how to curl your hair and you want some bomb ass waves or curls, and it just looks so timeless. It's like classic. It gives me that Kim K everyday hair. Like I said, Jada Waiter wears this hairstyle. I love it a lot. It looks really cute with a middle part. I don't think I've seen it with a side part per se, but I'm pretty sure it would eat just as much as it eats with the middle part, okay? But take your time. Make sure you wear a glove or something so you guys don't burn yourself if you are new to this and not true to this, okay? But I just took like 1-inch to maybe 2-inch sections. It just depends on how defined you want your waves. I wanted, like I said, a loose beach wave, so I did kind of semi-big sections. The smaller the sections you do, the more wavy the hair is going to be, if that makes sense. But yeah, now I'm just going to curl all of that in, like I said, and I let it sit for about 10 seconds, and then I let it fall. Now I'm going to take some Garnier I hope I'm saying this right, Fruitress hairspray, and this is their stronghold. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb, and then I'm just going to lightly comb these out. You do not want to use a fine tooth comb, just because I find that would probably distress the wave pattern and make it look too ununiform. So I just went in with the wide tooth comb that I had, and this is what the left side is giving. Okay, love it. This is quick and easy. This is gonna be my summer go-to wig. I guarantee it. UNice did they damn thing with this. Okay, so up close and personal, this is what the waves are looking like. The hairspray holds very good. These waves last me about 2-3 days, and then the waves are still in there. Now I'm just gonna go in and do the other side, just like so, wrapping around the wand curler, holding it for about 10 seconds, and then I'm just gonna let it drop, and I'm working from my bottom all the way up to the top. And like I said, I'm taking about 1.5 to 2-inch sections of hair. The bigger, the looser the waves will be. The smaller the smaller the parts, the tighter the waves will be, if that makes sense. You can also use a different size barrel if you want bigger waves or smaller waves. You can use a 1/2 inch, an inch, a 2-inch. It all depends on your preference. I personally just had a 1-inch barrel, so this is what I'm using. Okay, After we get through styling the curls, I'm going to repeat the same process I did on the left side. I'm going to add a little bit of Garnier Fructis. I hope I'm saying that right. Garnier Fructis Stronghold hairspray. It's not super hard. It doesn't make the hair crunchy or anything like that. I still have body and flow, and it gives it that nice hold that I needed. So, okay, we're going to continue to curl. And I'm going to show you guys all the way up to the top. We only got like one more piece left. And after that, I'm going to put the hairspray on and comb it out with my wide tooth comb. And then once we're done with that, we're going to be done with the styling process. Y'all, this took me literally, I would say maybe 20 minutes. 10 minutes on each side. Like I said, it just depends on your sizing. If you do big parts, it's not going to take you that long. If you do small parts, it might take you a little longer, okay? But no longer than 30 minutes tops, I would say. Maybe not even that. I say 25. It just depends on, like I said, how fast you're moving and how big your parts are. But this is the finished look. I love this hairstyle. Super cute, easy. Anybody can do this. Anybody, literally, whether you're a beginner or you are a super trooper in the wig game, you can do this hairstyle. It's so cute, and when it drops, girl, it just gives that natural body wave look. It looks so good to me. I love it. And this wig was top tier for all my beginner girls who don't know how to bleach or pluck or style or anything, don't know how to properly cut the lace. This is going to be your best wig to go to, because look at that lace. This is 100% glueless. I didn't need no glue, no type of hairspray, no adhesive spray, no tape, no nothing. I did add in my elastic band just for a little extra firm hold, but it did come with 3 combs in the cap, and it is a ventilated cap. Now I'm going to take my same Kiss foundation, cream foundation, and in the color Honey Beige, and I'm just going to pop that right into my part, and just to give it more scalp-like, because I don't have on a bald cap, and this is what it's giving, okay? I love it. I ate this style up. UNice, you ate this wig up. Send me some more. This is what the back of it is looking like. This is 150 density and 24 inches. I am 5 foot even, so get into it. This hair was not thin at all. Full from root to tip. I got a lot of compliments when I went out that evening, and I don't know, I just love this wig. I'm going to keep this wig. I usually be selling my units, and I'm not going to even do it this time. Okay, this is going to stay in my wig collection, because this is going to be my go-to throw on wig. Literally love it. Definitely recommend. Like I said, if you are a beginner and you don't know what you are doing, and you just want something that you can get right out the pack and put on, and you ain't got to worry about no adhesive, you ain't got to worry about sweating your wig out, putting on glue, anything like that, this is definitely a go-to. Again, you guys, this is UNice Hair. This is their Wear&Go and pre-cut 6x 4.5 lace. It is a closure HD lace, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Mwah, mwah, mwah.